how common were chain weapons? When we think of real chain weapons, there's really only two options. There's flails, what you probably first think of, and then there's weapons that are basically just chains and weight. Let's first go over the European flail. You will most likely not see infantrymen with this. The flails will actually look much closer to something like this. These were used to separate grain from their husks. And in times of war, you could modify them, add spikes, you could add metal for weight, but this long-handled variant of a flail is the most realistic. When it comes to one-handed ball and chain flails, there is actually some discourse among scholars whether these were actually used or not. However, I will say there are artworks depicting weapons like this, but it is safe to say that if these were used, they were used way less than you would think. Japan and China were where you'd find a lot of these other chain weapons. There's weapons like nunchucks, and a lot of these were used primarily in martial arts. There's not really a whole lot of evidence to suggest they were widely used in wartime. Besides the longer flails, it is actually very likely that you wouldn't see any of these in battle.